following county: San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for San Bernardino County in Southern California until 7:30 p.m. PDT. At 4:21 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain south of Palm Gardens. Flash flooding is expected to impact us -95 south of the California state line. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar.